Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite foods, Roblox style pizza. The ingredients you'll need are some flour for your dough, your favorite tomato sauce, some cheese, and your favorite toppings. For me, I'm going to be adding some pepperoni for the meats, mushrooms, green bell peppers, and some purple onions. There isn't much preparation here other than to wash all your vegetables. So wash your mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. Now we have our nicely washed mushrooms that we're going to chop up. And do the same for the bell peppers and the purple onions. Now we're going to roll out our dough. Layer on your favorite tomato sauce. Next, go ahead and layer on your cheese. Make it rain. Now I'm going to add some mushrooms. You can't forget some veggies, so add in the green bell peppers. Oh, and also the purple onions. And then I'm going to add in a layer of my favorite meats, some pepperoni. Now it's time to pop it in the oven for 45 minutes. And here we have it, our golden crispy Roblox style pizza. Bon appetit! Before you leave, comment down below and let me know what your favorite type of pizza is. Don't forget to subscribe!